one day at a time. One day at a time, sweet Jesus. That's all I'm asking of you. Just give me the strength to do every day what I have to do. Yesterday's gone,
Ang katawhan karon
and tomorrow may never
daw
be
gisungo sa panahon.
Lord, help me today, show me
Kay miabot ang katalagman sa tibuok nga kalibutan. Sakit nga daw gikan